our industry is notorious and famous for proprietary, for lock-in, and just honestly for this is the way we've always done things. And I think there is a tremendous shift right now towards openness, towards choice, but it's not easy to do. Customers that we naturally have and the types of organizations that we work with, what they're looking for is they're looking for interoperability. They're looking for high security. And they come to us and say, as our mobile credential provider, we want you to support Leaf. So there's a lot of companies who say, yes, we offer choice and we offer you the flexibility. But the reality is it's a lot of bespoke, one-off custom integrations that have to be done. And that comes at a cost. So I think it's an aspirational goal for many in the industry, but I'm very proud of where we are as a company right now because we're actually manifesting that choice. We're actually delivering that choice to our customers today.